Hi guys, welcome to another Living in State video, David here. So today we are in Pretoria and we're gonna do what? The Wonderboom or the Wonderboom airport. Don't you believe me? Stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. Here in Colnet, but I can see the public parking, but I just want to go around so you guys can see the entrance. So we can do this properly, or try to. Or Wonderboom or Wonderboom National Airport. See if we can see anything inside. If not, at least we tried. Oh, there you go. There you go, a Wonderboom or a public parking. Let's do this. What you doing, dude? Public parking. It's public parking. It's public parking. The Villa de Giovanni. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, where is the public parking, please? You guys can see the big tower. Dun, 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 dun. Hope I go to the right place. Sure, this place is huge. Shit, not the right place. Okay, public parking. Sorry guys, I went around because this is my first time here. So I'm kind of a little bit trying to see my way around. Okay, so you guys can see the airplanes there, right? Got a one and a few others there. That's a little bit of the. So what they do they do training, mechanics, helicopters fly from here. You guys can see from quite a small little, really cool. And you got those ones there. Why not try to actually take an airplane license? I don't know even how much it costs, but it must be super expensive. Okay, let's continue. Okay guys, so we are going there, right? Let's start walking. Okay guys, let's walk. Just for see if the car is closed. Oh cool. It's quite confusing if you come here the first time. It's not straightforward. And this place is far. Pretoria is huge. Wonderboom National Airport. Excuse me. Let me know when you get on. Beautiful. A little bit like on Syria. Oh. A bit of a view. Smaller park. Sort of airplanes there, you guys can see it. Okay, let's continue. Oh, this basically is a very nice area here. Oh, very interesting, eh? I guess that's basically it. Tower, they have a clinic. That's it, guys. Okay, this was a really quick video. Sure, guys, Wonderboom International Airport. Quite small, quite nice. Just cool to take some pictures around here also. And yeah, guys, subscribe, start that like button, and I'll see you in the next Living SATV video. There you go, guys. Unfortunately, we can't fly the drone because it's an airport.